Good morning, sir.
Good morning. This is luxury, isn't it? You just get up, have your brekkie, beautiful day, someone's got your bike ready, just sit on bike and ride it.
Today you will have, all those gravels road and nice road between the page to page it is, and more than 200 kilometer.
We will be riding along the Satluj River and getting really close to the Tibet border today. And the roads are really nice. And if you come across any gravels, like all of a sudden, just don't shout on me. There will be gravel, yeah, of course.
A little bit.
A little bit, yeah.
Also im Gegensatz zu gestern war es schon sehr, sehr, sehr schön, viel Asphalt und viel Spaß gemacht. Wir haben noch 5 Stunden vor uns und ich hoffe, dass wir das hinkriegen. Also wir sind jetzt bei 3,6 Höhe und wir rauchen immer noch, also das geht noch.
At 3000 plus we will stay, but 4000 meter we are going to cross. 4,400 meter we will cross.
What's happening?
Typisch. Zum ersten Mal allerdings eine Brücke. Sonst in der Regel sind es immer Bauarbeiten, wo Steinschläge weggeräumt werden müssen. Kann schon mal bis zu 2 Stunden dauern. Aber ein bisschen Geduld muss man in Indien halt haben. Ne?
The glaciers are melting up in the mountains, so the water level has gone higher than the expectations, which is actually draining the foundation of the bridge down there. So they don't want to take any chance. Bridge can actually collapse. So they are building this temporary bridge here, which we call Army Bridge. Usually it takes like 4 to 5 hours to build it. So let's see, it's already been 2 hours, so we have 2 hours more to wait here. going to ride back 20 kilometers, Tabo, and whatever we have there as an accommodation, we will take that. Welcome to Johnny Trophy. Love some adventure?